Cold start for the boys. Cold start for the boys. Oh, I never get sick of this. Oh my god. Oh. Never get sick of this car, lads. Holy. Oh, I love this thing. Although it's a crook, I bloody love this thing. Holy. Welcome bloody back to another bloody vlog. 123 episodes we have on the bloody channel. Holy. Playlists are also linked below. We have 3 playlists going at the moment. Year 1, Year 2, Year 3. Obviously Year 1 and 2 are bloody down and bloody dusted, so make sure you get across to those playlists. Give this bloody video a comment. Give this bloody video a like. And of course, thank you to all of our bloody channel sponsors for making these videos become a reality. Because all of the bloody camera gear, the editing software, the PC, we need their bloody help to have all of this gear ready to roll every Saturday and Sunday for your viewing pleasure. So as always, boys, we're about to get bloody cracking. Our first customer is almost bloody here. It's an RS3 facelift for a general service and a diagnose for possibly a dropped bearing in a transfer case, but we will see how that ends up. But anyway, boys, make sure you bloody like this video, make sure you bloody comment, and of course follow all those bloody channel sponsors, all linked below on their Instagrams. But enough jibber jabber, and let's get into this bloody customer's car as soon as he bloody shows up. Oosh, boys. Well, our customer in his facelift RS3 is here. Stage 2 plus, roughly around 370 kilowatts. Leo Motorsports air intake. It does have an intercooler on it. I can't confirm what brand that is. However, as I mentioned, stage 2 plus, running on E85. Stocky boy springs, stocky boy wheels. And yeah, that's about it, to be honest. Nothing to stand out in terms of this. No lip kits, no nothing. Just a stock standard stage 2 plus E85 on flex fuel. Beast of a car. But general service, minor service, bloody coming up. And of course, boys, we cannot forget a crispy money a day, because it is always going to keep that bloody doctor away. Get it? Pesky. But we've got the Ultra Paradise, I think this is, or Ultra Gold, but it's Paradise, pretty same thing. But to you, boys. Oh. Gold is like a sneaky favourite, eh? It's like a not so flavoursome Raro. So shout out to all my NZ followers. Oh, bloody beautiful. But bloody enough jibber jabber. Let's bloody get onto this RS3 before the customer has to bloody stay here, boys. Holy. And just like that, we are bloody done for this RS3 8V facelift stage 2 pluser. Holy. So shout out again to the good guys at Chemical Guys for obviously hooking us up with the bloody engine bay detail and the tyre and wheel detail as well. But not too shabby. We have diagnosed this to be a failed transfer case. So not ideal, but hey, it is what it is at the end of the day. And the customer was kind of aware that that might be the case anyway. So let's test drive this really quickly, just a short one around the block, and get this customer out of here.
Hey, Sloppy, we've been here for a decade now. Yeah, look, it's a lot
boys who wake the neighbors shouting. Bunch of rat bags, we are wild and buckle up. The window down, I got my middle finger, stuck it up. They don't like what I do, tell them suck it up. But they watch how I move, they must love what I do. Take Molly, sip it with vodka quick, now we're dancing and shit, right? Dance for me, girl, you know that I tip right. I own the bar, but I know I don't drink Sprite. Yeah, I'm getting messy, girl, you know I don't sip right. Fuck that, The next day.
Hey, boys. Well, official first customer of the bloody day. We're about halfway through it in terms of introing this car anyway, or the job itself anyway. But front rotors, front pads, rear rotors, full stocky boy by the looks of it. I can't confirm much else, but it does look like it does have an aftermarket 034 inlet elbow. Stock inbox, intake box, and everything else looks pretty stock to me. Full blackout package, so not quite stock. And let's have a look at the battery, boys. Oh, fully aftermarket. Holy! But other than that, DBA T2s, Street Series, for the front rotor, so the old slotty boys. And same for the rears, DBA Street Series, T2 slotted rotors, with obviously the Street Series pads as well. But yeah, other than this little stocky boy, that's pretty much it. And of course, boys, we cannot forget to have our crispy money a day, because our money a day is going to keep that bloody pesky doctor away, boys. But here's to you. Oh, here we go. Oh, don't mind the headphones there, boys. We're watching the footy, so the NRL. Bloody good, but here's to you. Oh, beautiful. That one is the ultraviolet, so grape, obviously. But slowly becoming into that top 3 position. So we'll have to keep drinking it. But enough bloody jibber jabber, and let's get on to this bloody S3 and get it out of here. Hoosh, boys. Well, what a bloody mission to get this one done and bloody dusted, ready for the next customer. But front rotors from DBA, front pads from DBA, rear rotors from DBA, and rear pads from DBA. We're just going to go on a test drive now and do our bid-in process. And get this bloody customer out of here, ready for the next one. But let's jump to that bloody test drive footage now.
Hey, Sloppy. Hey, Leves, we're partying tonight?
Yeah, fucking earth, I guess so.
Yeah, let's do it, lad.
Yeah, shit, what are you drinking or?
Oh, I've only got one left, eh?
You only got one drink left.
Oh, boy.
Alright, I mean,
We need more, eh?
yeah, I think we're gonna need some more. Yeah,
I only have 2 drinks left, that's alright. I'll find a way to make him last all night, because I'm getting drunk tonight. I said I'm getting drunk tonight. Now I only have 1 drink left, that's alright. I'll find a way to make it last all night, because I'm getting drunk tonight. I said I'm getting drunk tonight. Got a party at a house, let the boys know that it's time to go out. We've been too quiet, so it's not a bad shout. If we're gonna pull up, then it's gotta go down. Go down like a soldier, hit the deck, fucking know that I'm a commando. 2 drinks left, so I'm running out of ammo. No speaker, hit the party with a banjo. Maybe a cigar, but I'm not into tobacco. Party on a Friday, I'm about to black out. If it's your house, I'll turn your home into a trap house. The